Well, I've seen a bit of interest in people waterproofing and trying to sort out rising damp. Well, I'm doing this job now, so I thought I'd show you what I'm doing. Okay, we had the rising damp up to where you can see the plaster has been removed. And it actually wasn't plaster, it was sand and cement with a set of plaster on top of that. So I thought it was going to be really hard to get off, but actually, because it was blown in a lot of places, it just came right off. But I used a chipping hammer to get it off. Now, what I got to do now over here um, is got to get the skirting board off because the damp proofing, we could see it stops about right there. So I didn't really want to take this whole thing off because it's on there with nails and stuff. So I'm going to try and take my fine multi-tool and cut it right there just to save that little bit because that's the part that's loose. Let's see if I can get that off there, and then I'll put it back together. So that's the first step, get it all off. Actually, it's a good idea that it's dried overnight. Now, one of the problems with this is the fireplace was set on the old plaster. So when the old plaster came off, all that came off. So it's going to be interesting to put that back. I'm not sure when I'm going to do that or how I'm going to do that. So I would think pretty soon, though. So that's the problem there. So the next course, we're gonna just stop right there, and then I'll have the next video and show you what the next step is.